This is the elevator at Sears, Genesee, Flint, Michigan. It is a Otis. Ooh, the elevator sign works. Last time I was here, it didn't work. This thing, insanely classic levels. It's also a traction. Good, you'll see the classic leveling. Watch this. Actually, I'll stand back and get it. Watch. This is insane. Watch this. Look at that. Old Otis, it was modernized, obviously. Let's go to 2. Door closed with a push. Yep, see that doesn't work. That's never worked. Again, it's a traction. Again, we'll get our epic classic leveling here. I'm sitting on the floor. Ooh. Elevator sign up here doesn't work. See, there's the old Otis. Door closed when you push the button. Basic elevator used to have tile. They put carpet in it. It is a traction. That's never works. There's the Otis logo. Focus on both this time. There, it just now stopped. Door was almost completely open. So there it goes. And that's it.